folks. This is Lee Gettess with the Market Sense for the week of April 3rd, 2012. As always, the charts I use come from the Trade Navigator software by Gettess Financial Technologies. And the first chart is a weekly bond chart. Bonds opened the week right here at right in the middle, sort of at the 137.18 level. They rallied first and couldn't quite take out the previous week's high nor reach resistance, and then they turned down when the release of the Fed meeting minutes was released. Say that 3 times real fast. They broke down on that, and which looks like they're probably going to at least try the 135.28 level here, and I think they'll probably go test the lows here just above 135. The long-term sideways pattern they broke down out of, that's usually a pretty good pattern. I mean, they should continue for a ways beyond that. I'm not sure they will this time, because remember, we're dealing with a market that's being artificially supported by the Fed trying to keep interest rates low. But I think technically they'll at least try to go lower, and we'll see how successful they'll be. You know the old saying, don't want to fight the Fed. Now, in stocks, stocks rallied early this week and found resistance right at that 114.17 level, which happens to be this exact blue line. And they also sold off when the Fed meeting minutes were released. I'm not sure what was so bad about them, but my gosh, they sold off bonds, they sold off stocks, they sold off gold, they sold off crude. I mean, come on, it can't be bad for everything. Stocks rallied back a little bit late in the day on Tuesday, and I still think they're trying to go higher. We've got support down here around 1394 is where that green line is. That's really good support, but the fact that they've tried to go down and stayed above that means they could still go down there, of course, but if they're not going to, they could really blow out of this to the upside. I mean, we've got a little trend line here. They could at least go up there, maybe take that out. I just think this looks really, really bullish and hasn't shown any signs of ending anytime yet. Now, if I'm wrong and they go below 1394, there's more support down here in the 1375 area, but that'd be a lot more weakness than I'm expecting to see. This actually looks pretty good at this point. So that's what we've got for you today. I hope you can find something profitable to get yourself into. Remember, there will be no trading Friday, so be careful about that. Thanks for checking in with us.